जय श्रीमन्नारायण. किष्किन्धाकाण्ड. You have to take care of your government, Sugriva. Only if you do all these things, then your kingdom will become such a great kingdom. Sugriva, once you lose your friends, then it will be very hard for you to gain friends back. Like this, Hanuma is trying to say good things to Sugriva. Hanuma saying to Sugriva, "O Raja Sugriva, you should not be losing good friends. Now this is the time for you to stand on your words. Kriyatam Raghavasya etat Vaidekhyah parimarganam." You gave a word to Ramachandra Swami saying that you would search for Sita Devi. Now this is the time for you to do that. Kalatita Marindama, already it is so late. It is delayed so much. Sugriva, Rama, only because he doesn't want to cause any pain to you, he is not asking you directly. But Rama is noticing. He is noticing that it is already delayed so much. He is in so much of rush to search for Sita Devi. And you know that how much he is in hurry to find Sita Devi. But Rama, even while being in so much pain, even while being in so much hurry, Tvaramanopi sanprajnyaha tavarajan vasanugaha. He is not asking you. He is maintaining his dignity. O Sugriva, now you have to understand all these things. Rama is such a great man. In whichever the Vamsam dynasty he is born, only because of Rama, that entire Vamsam got so famous. O Sugriva, such a great man, Dirghabandhuscha Raghavaha. Now he is our friend forever. You should not be losing him. That is why you should immediately start doing his work. Tvam kuruvai karyam. Immediately start his work. Purvam tena krutam tava. He already did all that you asked for. He gave you everything. Now you should not be delaying anymore. You have to call on all the Vanaras and send all the Vanaras to search Sita Devi. O Sugriva, you have to start doing this work before Rama asks you to do. Once he is asking you to do means it is already delayed so much. You have to understand that. O Sugriva, you are such a great one because you have so much helping nature. You are so compassionate. You would help to the people who did not do any favor to you. Now look at Rama. He gave you kingdom. He gave you all the pleasures. How can we even imagine that you would not extend your helping hand to Rama? Definitely you will do. But Vanareswara, one thing I would like to tell you. Do not underestimate Rama. Only by Rama himself, just with one arrow, Rama can sektaha surasura mahoragan. He will be able to defeat all the devatas, all the asuras, all mahoragas. He can easily captivate, he can easily capture all of them at once with one arrow. Such a great man is Rama. O Sugriva, that great man Rama is waiting for you to respond by yourself. That is why he is not asking you. Like this, Hanuma saying to Sugriva, while meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, Let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.